I'm Karey Brown, broker owner of Realty Executives, and this is Chris Burke with Housing and Credit Counseling. So we last talked about, say for instance, someone's late on a mortgage or they're, working their way towards a foreclosure. How can you guys help them?
Well, it's a tough situation, and we always tell people the sooner you catch us, the better. If you see that you might miss next month's house payment because of some things that are happening, come see us right then and there. Don't wait. It's when people come see us in the sheriff's sales in 2 days, it's kind of tough to save the house. But what we try to do is if you have missed a payment, is we'll work with you to see what is affordable as far as what you can handle in your budget, and then talk to the bank and try to do what's called a loan modification with the bank. And that's where they will kind of reset your loan, try to incorporate the back amount that you've missed. They may even be able to reset the loan back to a brand new 30-year loan. All those can kind of factor in to make the payment more affordable and also get you caught up. A lot of folks that we see have had a reduction in income, for example, or higher medical bills that have hit and they can't afford the payment anymore. So the idea of a loan modification is to see if we can reset that payment to make it fit better in your budget and then also bring you current in the same swoop. So it works out a win-win for everybody.
I know that we've seen that banks aren't always the easiest to deal with. And with that being said, sometimes all you really need is you guys to call them. We've seen them where they're pushing for a foreclosure and just pushing and not backing down. And you guys have actually helped them by, you can call HUD, Housing and Urban Development, and get them to behave.
Yeah. We're a HUD-approved agency here at Housing and Credit Counseling, and we have years and years of experience doing this. And we have a tendency to be able to get to the right department. A lot of times when a homeowner calls, they're just talking to the collections division, if you will, in that department. And we want to talk to, that's what we call the loss mitigation department is who we talk to, and ask for the right forms that we need to have and have the client fill out and get it to the right people so they can then review and hopefully accept that loan modification. If the loan modification is not an option for a client for whatever reason it may be, if they still can't afford it, or the bank doesn't have that as an option, sometimes banks will do repayment plans. It's just a matter of what the person can afford, if that's a possibility. And worst case scenario, we do sometimes talk about a deed in lieu of foreclosure, where the bank may be able to take the house back before it was foreclosed upon. It could be where you try to sell the house on your own before it goes into foreclosure. That could be an option. So there's still some options. May not be the best option, but we'll do what we can to help that situation and maybe not hurt your credit report as bad as a true foreclosure.
So, with that being said, don't ever go into foreclosure. Call. And what number should they call?
785-234-0217.
And if you can't remember that, call me. 785-213-5188. We see more and more where people really could have gotten out of the foreclosure, saved, at least salvaged their credit and moved forward. And they just don't, because they don't know any better, and the banks their credit collection area is aggressive. It really is, and it's uncomfortable, and nobody likes to take those phone calls. So you guys help those stop.
Exactly. So many people are afraid to open the envelopes. They don't want to answer the phone, and they wait too long. Let's get it right away and get this taken care of.
Yep. So call.